Welcome to Practice Easy English. 25 plus phrasal verbs for body actions. Stretch out. I stretched out after waking up. She stretched out her arms and yawned. Bend over. He bent over to tie his shoe. Bend over and touch your toes. Turn around. Turn around and look behind you. She turned around quickly when she heard a noise. Jump up. The cat jumped up onto the table. He jumped up in excitement. Lean back. She leaned back in his chair and smiled. Lean back and relax. Lean forward. She leaned forward to hear better. He leaned forward and whispered. Hold on. Meaning, to grasp something tightly. Hold on to the railing, it's slippery. She held onto the rope and climbed up slowly. Let go. Meaning, to release something you're holding. Let go of my hand, I'm fine now. He let go of the rope and fell into the water. Fall down. She slipped and fell down. The child fell down while running. Run after. Meaning, to chase someone or something. He ran after the thief. The dog is running after him. Walk off. Meaning, to leave by walking. He got angry and walked off. She walked off without saying goodbye. Walk up. Meaning, to approach someone or something by walking. He walked up to the counter. She walked up and said hello. Come in. Meaning, to enter a room or place. Please come in and have a seat. He came in quietly. Go out. Meaning, to leave a building or go outside. Let's go out for a walk. She went out to get some air. Lie back. Meaning, to recline or rest backward. Lie back and close your eyes. He lay back and enjoyed the sun. Step back. Meaning, to move backward. I stepped back when the dog barked. He stepped back in surprise. Step forward. Meaning, to move ahead or come closer. Step forward when your name is called. She stepped forward to speak. Curl up. Meaning, to make your body into a rounded shape, usually to relax, sleep, or feel cozy. The cat curled up on the sofa. The baby curled up in her mother's arms. Shake off. He shook the rain off his body. She shook the snow off her head. Brush off. Meaning, to clean something lightly by brushing. He brushed the dust off his shirt. She brushed the snow off her coat. Pull up. How many times can you pull up? She pulled up on the bar during her workout. Push up. He is pushing up faster. I pushed up 10 times, but I got tired. Sit down. Please sit down and relax. He sat down on the bench to take a break. Stand up. She stood up to greet her teacher. Stand up when your name is called. Lie down. I need to lie down for a while. He lay down on the couch and fell asleep. Get up. I usually get up at 6 a.m. He got up and walked to the door.